Hi, 3D mechanical design. Mathematics problems and solutions. A cubic container with a side of 3 meters is tightly packed with 8 balls and filled with water. All 8 balls are in contact with the walls of the container and adjacent balls. All balls are the same size. What is the volume of water in the vessel? Answer. To calculate the volume of water in the container, we first need to find the volume of the container and the volume of the balls. Since the container is cubical, its volume is given by the formula. Volume of container equals side length to the third power. The container has a side length of 3 meters, so its volume is volume of container equals 3 to the third power equals 27 cubic meters. So, volume of container equals 27 cubic meters. The volume of a sphere, ball, is given by the formula V equals 4/3 pi r to the third power, where r is the radius of the sphere. The radius equals 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75 meters. The volume of a sphere, ball, equals 1.77 cubic meters. Since there are 8 balls in the container, the total volume of the balls is V8 is equal to 1.77 times 8 equals 14.13 cubic meters. Finally, we can find the volume of water in the container by subtracting the volume of the balls from the volume of the container. V equals 27 minus 14.13 is equal to 12.87 cubic meters. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video.